perfection comes packaged in different ways, but this is a perfection packaged in a 4 bedroom apartment along Othaya Road in Kileleshwa. And wait, watch, relax, and enjoy. And in the meantime, please keep subscribing to our YouTube channel and other social media channels for elite real estate content and real estate insights. That is the Cloakroom in this 4 bedroom, all in suits. And now we're headed to the living room, which is massive. Massive. And look at the quality of work in each and every space that you come across. A dining area that can fit 10 users. A balcony that is very spacious and has very good views. Look at your views there. You'll be enjoying nature as well as you can relax in the evening after your work. The rooms are also very well lit, even without lighting. That is your living room. It's very, very spacious dining area. Look at how massive the kitchen is. For those that love cooking and spending time in the kitchen, this is your perfect home, your perfect place, because the kitchen comes fitted with the hood and extractor as well as the microwave and oven. And despite the kitchen being very massive, you have a pantry area. I love the art pieces hanged around. Maybe you can help me figure out what this art piece means. I think it's a flower, but this is a full view of the kitchen. That is your extractor. Still a full view of the kitchen. Look at the storage, how massive the storage is. This home is perfect for a big family because the bedrooms are full. The living area, the dining area are so massive. And for those who have never used a boiler, this is a boiler in the laundry area. I would like you to tell me your experiences on how you have used, on how it went when you used one. That is the laundry area, very massive for a big family. Still another look of the kitchen from the laundry area. And here you have your SQ. It's functional for a family member or an additional servant or a servant, sorry. Quite spacious compared to what you get in other areas. I hope you're enjoying the views. I hope you're enjoying the workmanship because I haven't seen a unit built like this in so long. And this developer has also given you an entertainment area that also connects to the balcony, as you can see. This is your entertainment area. That's your balcony. The balcony is very massive. You can set couches over there to make sure you relax during your days off and when you want to catch some fresh and natural air. Look at the balcony. Isn't it not spacious? Comment on what you think about the balcony and the quality of workmanship as well as your experience or whether when you used a boiler. It make the place look smart. What do you think of that artwork in the study area? That's a study area. That's where your kids can do assignments, or you can do your office work over here. This is the first bedroom to feature. It's quite spacious, can have 2 beds. For a family, you can have your kids sleep in this room. It is also well lit with adequate storage. You and your kids will be in paradise because this place is perfect. The quality of workmanship. For those who have been in Sinina, this is the same developer. This is another bedroom. Look at still spacious and functional for a second family member. And the vanity or the cloakroom area is quite spacious with adequate storage as well. And this is the third bedroom. Still very spacious to me if you ask me. And look at, I think I like the quality of workmanship in the washroom area. Look at the cladding, it just makes the place look so perfect, so cool. And the high-end finishes. Look at the showers you have over here. Look at the toilets or the water closet. All of them just high quality materials packaged for you to enjoy and live here for maybe 10 years without doing repairs. Now let's go to the master bedroom. Now let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, our primary area of focus, because this is your primary suite and your reason for investment. Look at how massive it is. The balcony, it has an awesome view of the city. While the room is very spacious, you can fit a king bed, you can fit some couches and still be left with a lot of space. You can have your mirror there. And let us look at the vanity. It has a sink for you and her, as well as it has a bathtub. This is a walk-in closet with a dressing area. Look at how massive it is. I think this is adequate for even our treasured female relatives. And comment on what you think about the spaces, the quality of finishes, and I like the warm lights. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you on our next tours. And please don't hesitate to call 0703 466 86 for all your property inquiries on all your real estate investment guidelines. Also do educational videos apart from the tours. We offer insights, we offer guidelines to make sure that your real estate investment is perfect, safe, and secure. I'm also a registered agent, ensuring that I am compliant to the laws of Kenya. Thank you for your time. Again, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one.